gotta get the bulldozer. It's lunchtime, you guys. You've been working hard. Yeah, let's eat. We're hungry. Hey guys, it's Miriam with lots of toys. Wow, check it out. It's Lego Duplo, the big construction site. This is a 67-piece set. You've got a lot to do at the construction site. There's a working crane. You've got a dump truck, lots of accessories, and a bulldozer. Wow, this is amazing. You can build and customize your construction site however you want. Or you can follow the Lego Duplo plan too. Build all your machines from scratch. Cool.
A base? How do you open it? Papa Americano! Papa Americano! Papa Americano!
You get instructions. We have 3 figurines.
Second, third. It's a car. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a bulldozer.
I like that.
What? Which one do you bet have the most steps?
The crane.
Why?
It's taller.
This thing is very tiny. Look, another back. Oh yeah. You can also put it in the back. So that you can go beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Now let's put it back in the front.
Let's build a truck next.
The cabin truck.
Perfect. We need lights at the top.
And these are the exhaust pipes. You can connect this here, or you can connect it here.
You make a flatbed truck.
Now we need to put this orange. So we need... Wait, actually, I did this wrong. To have it like this, right? Isn't this how you have to have it?
Yep.
Look. Or you can do it a different way, right?
Yeah, you have 2 spots.
That and that. Now next step. we have to make the dump thing to make this. We also need this piece. We'll just connect it. And let's attach it. Right about there. So you can put these bricks in here. This is our truck driver.
Next up, we have to build a crane.
Yay! We can combine this with other Lego sets we get. Here and here. Then 2 yellow pieces. Then we attach it onto here. I'm following the instructions. You have to follow the instructions or else it won't come out good. Oh, you also need to do another one. You have to do boop to redo the same thing. Boop and boop. Then you have to put it on the other side here. So then boop, boop, and boop, and boop. That was quick. Then you just have to put them on top of each other or stack them like this. So now let's turn the page. It's a rotating piece for the crane to rotate. There. And then we need to make the hook, so we'll put that aside. We need this piece. We have to attach these like that. I don't get why they have these pieces. Maybe just to make the sound. Wait. And you don't need to make 2. Then we also need this hook to put it on like that. Then you need to hear a click, click. Click. You see now our crane can rotate. Whee! The cabin to go on top. And then we need the driver of the crane. There, here's our crane complete. So then it's not complete actually. Turn the page, and then look, we have to add a claw. So then we have to put this together, like that. So then you can just hook up stuff. And then you can attach it on the hook, like, it's hard. Oh, that. So then, yeah. So then that's the crane complete. So look on the picture. This guy has to use the jackhammer. So now let's build the building that we have to build. We have to take the blue piece, the black piece, and the orange piece. Put the black piece in the middle like this so you have a 1 dotted line. And if you're having trouble building this, you should definitely look carefully on this video. We're doing this for you guys and for your entertainment. Now let's turn the page. Okay, so then that's the pattern. Brick, brick, window, orange. That's a nice pattern. And I'm enjoying doing this, actually. I'm enjoying this. Even though I'm bigger, I'm like 7. Wait, I did this wrong. It doesn't go brick, brick, brick. I see on the instructions. You have to get a brick piece and so it goes piece, window, brick, orange. Doesn't that look better? But then you also need it for the other floors too. So I'm actually doing it right this time. It's okay, I made a mistake. I can forgive myself. Now let's turn the page. And that. Wait, these 2 are for the truck, I think. So let's put these in the truck. That was a flip. So then then you also need 1 more window up here. The cone, the wheelbarrow, the launch box, and the jackhammer, and the shovel. Now let's get these guys working. Here's our complete construction set.
Hey, are you supposed to be taking that?
Yes. Ah! Whoa!
What an amazing construction site. It has some very nice construction vehicles, a crane with scoops, and a lot of fun accessories. That's it for us. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. And also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.